Most people get this wrong when trying to cash out on rewarded play. They think the app is slow or broken, but here's the truth no one tells you. The speed of your cash out depends more on your strategy than the app itself. Quick promise. In this video, you'll learn how to cash out faster on rewarded play in 2026, what actually slows down your withdrawals, and simple steps to get your rewards as quickly as possible. Let's jump right in. First, you need to understand how rewarded play works. You earn points by playing games, and those points convert into gift cards once you reach a minimum threshold. So the first factor affecting cash out speed is how fast you accumulate points. Now here's the problem most users face. They pick slow-earning games or spend too long on low-reward sessions. For example, Jake might play a casual game for an hour and barely move his balance. That slows everything down before cash out even becomes possible. So the first way to cash out faster is simple. Focus on high-reward games. These are usually new installs or games with active bonus offers. They give more points in less time, especially during the early stages of gameplay. Now here's where it gets interesting. Short sessions actually work better than long sessions. Rewarded play tracks engagement in cycles. So instead of playing one long session, break it into multiple shorter sessions. This helps keep your earning rate consistent. The second key factor is completing game requirements properly. Many users think they earned points, but they didn't reach the required level or milestone. That delays your progress toward cash out without you even realizing it. Another important factor is avoiding interruptions. If you switch apps too often, or let your phone go idle for long periods, tracking may pause. Users like Alex often lose earning momentum this way without noticing. In a minute, I'll show you the simplest habit that speeds up your entire cash out process. It's tracking your progress daily instead of randomly checking in. When you know exactly how close you are to the threshold, you stay consistent and focused. Now let's talk about redemption itself. Once you reach the minimum points required, go to the redeem section and select your preferred reward. Some options process faster than others, so choosing digital gift cards usually gives quicker results compared to manual review rewards. Also, make sure your account is fully verified and your app is updated. Old versions or incomplete profiles can slow down processing time significantly. So to wrap it up, if you wanted to cash out faster on rewarded play in 2026, you need to pick high-reward games, use short sessions, complete requirements properly, avoid interruptions, and stay consistent with your progress. If you follow this system, your cash-out speed improves without needing any tricks or hacks. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, hit like, leave a comment with your experience, and subscribe for more clear and practical earning app guides.